With this project, I was inspired by some of these toaster coasters that we recently modeled. Now with any set of coasters, they are only as good as what they're held in. With the recent project where we modeled the Super Nintendo to hold Nintendo-style coasters, we knew that this one needed to hold up to the same standards. So with a bit of planning and design in Fusion 360, we're able to throw together what else but a toaster to hold these toaster coasters. Once the 3D modeling was done, we created an assembly to ensure the pieces would go together as planned. Once the assembly looked good, we head over to the 3D printers to begin manufacturing. Now that all the pieces are printed, it's time to start the assembly. This lifting mechanism was created with the T-shape as such to prevent side-to-side movement and reduce torque on the actual lifting handle itself, so that when the coasters are put in, if one side is empty, there won't be a twisting moment happening on the actual handle itself, thus increasing its life. With the lifting mechanism in place, you can insert the handle on the front that will be used to raise the lifting mechanism from the outside. The last piece of the assembly is the temperature knob that can be inserted and adjusted to whatever number you wish. Next, insert some wood filament into each slot of the toaster coaster holder and cook it at 210 degrees Celsius for approximately 4 hours, aka the amount of printing time it will take to actually make the toaster coasters. And there you have it, toaster coasters from your very own toaster coaster holder. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this fun little project. I definitely enjoyed making it. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps out this channel. This toaster coaster and toaster coaster holder will also be available for download for our Patreons on our Patreon page. So thank you all for watching, and as always, happy printing.